LearningBOX, how to share a PDF file. Why don't you upload PDFs to your learning course? In LearningBOX, PDFs are not just a digital textbook. Users can highlight the content and add annotations in their learning environment. Now, let's get started. On the dashboard, click on Contents. Create a course from the plus button if necessary. Click on the course you've created, and click on the plus button. Select Content and click on PDF. Enter a title. Choose a file from here. Add the options if you want. This time, I'll change the language to English so that the instructions will be displayed in English. Click on Save to finish the settings. Let's see how it looks. With a pencil icon, you can draw a line. Change the colors, opacity, and maybe draw a happy face. Ruler icon is useful for highlighting. Drag and select the range to highlight. If you want to remove any markup or drawings, just click on them with the eraser tool. Users can bookmark pages to review. If there are multiple bookmarks or highlights, users can jump to the target page clicking on the paper plane icon. When users highlight or bookmark, they can add annotations too. This is a user interface. If you set it to allow users to print out or download the PDF, the useful icons will be displayed at the top right corner. Let's add this PDF to my favorites. Go back to the Select a Course. Now, you see a heart icon on the content. Click on the score icon. Admin can check users' activities in addition to the device and browser information.